Alright, what it do, YouTube? What's up with y'all boys today, man? As y'all can see, yes, this is the final POV before we get the tune, man. Know y'all boys been waiting on it. I've been waiting on it. Y'all see we got the 360 cam on for the POV today. Yeah, man. Get y'all a good walk around before we start, man. Make sure y'all tap into that Instagram. We just hit 10K. Make sure y'all boys tap into that, man. A lot of behind the scenes, everything gets seen first on the ground. So y'all tap in with that so y'all can be a part of that. Hit y'all boys with that warm start. Let's do it. Yes, sir. Last POV, man, before the tune, man. Let's go crazy. Alright, y'all boys, like I said, yes, this is the last POV before the tune, man. So y'all know we gotta go crazy, man. Downshifts, all that, man. We gotta come crazy, man. Gotta come crazy, man. I've been waiting on this. Know y'all boys been ready for me to get this tune. It's finally here, man. She gonna be pulling different. All that, man. Told y'all boys, man, I was gonna get the tune. Just hold on. Still pulling now. That tune finna turn that bit up now, I ain't gonna lie. Already. Oh, who this is? Who this is? Do he want that? Do he want that? Had to blow past him real quick. Had to show him what happened. Had to show him what happened. Here you go, coming up right here. He don't want that. He don't want that. That bit clean though, I ain't gonna count. Yeah, boys, man. I ain't gonna do too much talking. I'm just let the car talk, bro. Y'all get behind slow drive like this, y'all be going around them. Cause I ain't gonna lie, twin, we doing 30, man. Come on, speed limit 40. They turning. Go on, get up out of here, man. You just in the way. After the tune, y'all boys, I'm thinking right now we just gonna go on tune with the mods I got, and then go long tubes, get a feel for the tune, and then with the mods I got on, get a feel for that, and then we go long tubes. And I'm thinking about E85. I don't know yet. Right now we just gonna go with this tune first and see how we like it. Then we may go E. But we just gonna see. We just gonna see how everything go. But I know I'm for sure going long tubes. But when I get the long tubes, of course, you know, you gotta retune the car for the long tubes. So that ain't no problem. We'll do that. When we get tuned, I know I'm bringing y'all boys with me, man. Yeah, so y'all can see all the behind the scenes of everything. So y'all make sure y'all tap into the ground too now, cause I'm gonna be posting on the story and all that too. So y'all wanna be able to see firsthand before I drop on the YouTube, man. So make sure y'all boys follow up. Man, people just be in the way, dog. I swear. Police normally be up there. Come on, look at this nigga right here, bro. Come on, twin. You made it. Y'all boys, I'm so excited for this tune, man. It's gonna be like a new car. This gonna be like a new journey too, man. I swear. but anyway, come here. Oh yeah. Got a little sideways, y'all boy. Oh, let me in back that way. Let's do it. Had to turn up for the little people. Just everywhere you go. Scats and cats and shit. No folk gonna show you love. Kids and shit gonna be doing this everywhere you go. Yo. Oh, we got somebody there. We got Scat. Hopefully we can catch up soon. This light. Come on, man. Oh, let's do it. Catch up to that Challenger. Let's see what he on. Oh, here you come. Oh, nah, he's turning. I don't know. Oh, look at that slime ball C8. I know y'all see that bit. Oh, my God. That's gonna wrap up this video, man. Hope y'all boys enjoyed this last cut up before the tune, man. Make sure y'all boys like, comment, subscribe, hype the video too, man. That right there help out a lot. Make sure y'all boys follow that gram. Like I told y'all, everything hit the ground first. Is my biggest platform right now. So everything come out first on the ground. Hope y'all boys enjoy it, man. Hope y'all boys ready for this tune. And y'all, man, I'm gonna catch y'all boys in the next one, man.